Governor Alex Otti wants to build 3 multi-billion naira agro industrial facilities in Abia State. You heard me right. I didn't say 1, 3. The governor said this while he was flagging off the 11.27 kilometer Mbala Omoako Ngodo Road in Umunneochi local government of Abia State. The governor said that Umunneochi have been chosen as one of the sites where Abia State government will be building this their multi-billion naira agro industrial facility. The governor said that Abia State is looking on how to increase agricultural production in Abia State, and they are also looking at exportation. So this complex is going to serve as a bridge between farming and manufacturing in Abia State. Now farmers can take their raw materials from the farm to these facilities to turn it into finished products that they can sell in within Abia State, outside Abia State. Even they can go into exportation of those products. You're talking about cashew processing plants, rubber processing plants, textile, cassava, and so much more. In my previous video, I told you that a delegation from the European Union visited Abia State, and Governor Alex Otti took them on a tour to the Aba Integration Power. This partnership is not just all about electricity. They are also looking at agriculture, how to improve agricultural production in Abia State, and how to also be able to export these products to the European market. So these are the meetings that the governor have been having with all these people to make sure that things get better in Abia State. And the governor said that this their agro-industrial facility project is not going to delay. It is something that is going to happen very, very soon in Abia State. Very soon they will flag it off. And also the governor has instructed his commissioner for works to look at the dilapidated Bridge at that same Umunneochi local government of Abia State. That bridge had been abandoned for so many years. The governor said that the commissioner of works should look into it to see how they can intervene so that they can build that bridge for the people of Umunneochi local government. You can see, I think about a few weeks ago, one of you left a comment under my video that Umunneochi local government is also a part of Abia North, that Governor Alex Otti is not doing anything there, that you should also remember your local government. And I told you that the governor is not leaving anywhere behind in Abia State. Now you can see what is happening in your local government. The 11.27 kilometer road that he has flagged off, and the multi-billion naira agro-industrial facility that he's bringing to your local government in Umunneochi, and the Bridge that he has asked the Commissioner of Works to look at, because they want to intervene, they want to reconstruct it. You can see that he has Umunneochi local government in his plan. Likewise, every other local government in Abia State. Governor Alex Otti will not neglect anywhere in Abia State. He's entering everywhere. Governor Alex Otti said he's interested in carrying out local government projects. He doesn't care if it belongs to local government or not. State projects, federal government projects, as long as it's bringing development to the entire state, he does not care. And he said he's not sleeping. And he doesn't care. As long as he's awake and Abia State can sleep, he's okay. And also 29,000 people have applied for the 2,500 teaching slots that the governor gave to public schools in Abia State. Can you imagine the number? I told you some time ago in my previous video that the governor wants to apply extra 2,500 teachers in Abia State public schools, because since he gave free education to all these public schools in Abia State, a lot of students are turning up on these schools, and the teachers are complaining that they can no longer handle the population that is coming to them because of this free education. So the governor decided to employ extra 2,500 teachers. And now 29,000 people have applied. And the governor is looking at the population is much. And out of the 9,000 plus that have been selected for a computer-based test before they can come for oral interview, the governor now decided to increase this slot from 2,500 to 5,000. He doubled the slot, because he said the number is much. People that are looking for job in Abia State is much. So the governor did not know what to do with this population. He said instead of 2,500, they should double it. They should employ 5,000 people. And you know that this is additional expenses to the state. And the government did not care, as long as it's going to reduce unemployment in the state and also help the students, to have more teachers in the state. Because he was so merciful on the number that was turning up. And he felt that one of the ways that the government can help them is just to double the employment rate. Instead of 2,500, let us make it 5,000. Finally, the senator representing Abia North, Senator Ojus Okalo, have called on the people of Abia North, the people of his constituency, to stop comparing the road that he's building in Abia North to state road and federal road. That the money is different. that he's receiving small money to work in Abia North, that the money he received per kilometer of road in Abia North is between 200 to 250 million naira, while state and federal roads are receiving between 3 to 6 billion naira per kilometer. So that you cannot match the two roads because their grades are different. So if you manage to build any road in your community or your constituency, that you should be able to manage it with him, because the money he's receiving is small, that he's even begging contractors. So even if you pour asphalt on your road and it wash off in a year and 6 months or 2 years, you should not complain. You should be able to manage it. The money he's receiving is very, very small. Maybe he's receiving grade E money in Abia North. And if you're from Abia State and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscription button right now, or you're a lover of Abia State, and you will never miss anything that is going on in Abia State.